If someone handed you two luxury leather bags and told you one was made from real leather while the other wasn't, could you honestly tell the difference? Most people couldn't. That's exactly why some of the biggest names in fashion are quietly embracing materials that were once dismissed as fake. The surprising part isn't that artificial leather has improved, it's how quickly it's closing the gap with the real thing. So what happened? How did fake leather go from being a symbol of cheap fashion to something even luxury brands are beginning to take seriously? The answer might completely change how you judge quality. Why fake leather had such a bad reputation? For years, the words fake leather instantly meant one thing: cheap. It cracked, peeled, faded, and often looked worn out long before the product itself was old. Whether it was a budget jacket, a low-cost sofa, or an inexpensive handbag, people learned to expect disappointment. That reputation stuck for decades, convincing shoppers that anything other than genuine leather was simply a compromise. But here's what's fascinating. The material being called fake leather today is nothing like the version that earned that bad name. In fact, the biggest breakthrough happened long after most people stopped paying attention. The breakthrough most people never noticed. While shoppers were busy avoiding fake leather, material scientists were quietly reinventing it. Instead of producing stiff, plastic-like surfaces, newer generations of engineered leather were designed to feel softer, last longer, and resist everyday wear far better than before. Modern manufacturing also made the material more consistent, without the scars, wrinkles, or natural imperfections found in animal hides. By the time most people realized something had changed, many premium brands were already testing these new materials, and that raises an important question. If it performs this well, why are luxury brands beginning to take it seriously? What real leather still does better. Despite all these advances, real leather hasn't lost its place. A high-quality full-grain leather jacket or bag develops something engineered materials still struggle to replicate: a natural patina. Instead of looking worn out, it gains character with age, making every piece unique to its owner. It's also easier to repair and, when properly cared for, can last for decades. That's why many collectors and craftsmen still prefer genuine leather for timeless products. The biggest surprise isn't that fake leather became better than real leather. It's that today's smartest brands choose between the two based on performance, not tradition. So, is fake leather really better than real leather? The answer isn't as simple as most people think. One offers natural character and decades of aging, while the other delivers consistency, durability, and modern performance. The real lesson is that quality is no longer defined by a single material. It's defined by how well that material serves its purpose. And as technology continues to evolve, the future of luxury may look very different from its past. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more surprising truths behind the products we use every day.